episode of Bita's Kitchen Guest Chef Series, here today with my beautiful friend, the one and only Chef Tabay Atkins. So
Hi,
good
everyone.
to have you here.
Thank you for having me. I'm really excited.
It's so exciting to be here together in person.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
Yes, we met on social media. We've done some amazing projects together. Even before COVID, I was lucky enough to meet you and your amazing family who are all here with us in the background. And you do so many other incredible things. So give us a quick rundown on all the amazing things that you do for those who may not know who's Tabay Atkins.
I'm the youngest yoga teacher in America since I was 10 years old, and also a vegan chef. I'm a Nike athlete, and I am also I graduated high school when I was 14 years old. Now I can spend all my time teaching yoga and vegan cooking classes like today.
And he's only 16.
Yes.
Let's just do it. What are we doing today?
Today we're going to be making a homemade, vegan, whole foods, plant-based macaroni and cheese. So everything is from scratch, and it's vegan, so there's no dairy in this, but not just vegan, it's also whole foods plant-based. And if you don't know what that means, whole foods plant-based is like vegan, except you don't have any added oils or sugars. So all of your oils and sugars come naturally from high-fat whole foods and naturally sweet foods like fruits. So first, I'll start with the vegetables. You're going to need sweet potato. So depending on the size, if you have a small sweet potato, you can use one. If you have a really big sweet potato, you can use half of it. And some potatoes too. I like to use russet potatoes and golden potatoes. Then we have a carrot. We have cashews. And we're going to be using 1/4 of a cup of these cashews. I have all of these mixed together here. What you want to do is boil these in water until they're soft enough you can easily put a fork through them. You can either do that or pressure cook them. And I saved a little bit of the water I used to boil it, because we might need that when we're making the cheese. Then we have some plant-based milk. This is some homemade cashew milk that I made.
Wow, if you make cashew milk, it comes out that color?
Yeah.
That's amazing. Love it.
Then I have some homemade vegetable broth. This one, we have some organic gluten-free rolled oats. We have 1/4 of a cup. I have 1 heaping tablespoon of syrup. So not exactly 1 tablespoon, a little bit more than that. Then I have 3 really full tablespoons of nutritional yeast, garlic powder, turmeric, smoked paprika, and onion powder. These are our macaroni. We're going to put all these ingredients in the blender, starting with the vegetables that we boiled or pressure cooked. They're mixed with the cashews. Then I'm going to put the gluten-free oats.
So this dish is both gluten-free and dairy-free.
Yes. And whole foods plant-based.
Whole foods plant-based.
The maple syrup, nutritional yeast. Going to put the cashew milk in. And the spices.
That was garlic powder?
Yes. This is the smoked paprika. The zarchube, the turmeric.
Zarchube.
That's going to go for now. I'm going to save the broth and the boiled water to see if we need it. So looking at it right now, I can see that it definitely needs these liquids. So I'm going to pour in the broth. Because we want it to be very liquidy. Not super liquidy, but...
not too thick.
Right, we don't want it to be thick. It's looking pretty good. Let's see. Yep, it's ready.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't
It
that
tastes like
great?
cheese. Crazy. This is crazy. It tastes just like cheese.
All these healthy ingredients come together to make such a delicious comfort food.
Yes, it does.
Yes.
Yep.
Now, thank you. Going to pour it over the macaroni.
Whoa,
Yeah.
that's crazy.
Good. Now to mix it all together. Yep. So fast, so easy, and so tasty.
This was so much fun. I hope we can
Yes.
do this more often. I hope to see you again soon and more
Me
often.
too. Yes, this was really fun.
Thank you. So
You're
we're gonna go get the rest of the goodies out of the oven and air fryer, and we're gonna have a lovely dinner here. Wish you were all here. But with that, I'm gonna turn it over to you for our wrapping thoughts.
Awesome.
Come
Bring
on.
your hands together to your forehead and repeat after me. Think good thoughts. Lower to your mouth. Speak kind words. Lower to your heart. Feel love. Be love. And give love. Namaste.
Namaste. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Namaste, vegan.
Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. You're the bestest.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. And let's go eat now.